Welcome to Math TV with Professor V. It is Tuesday, November 29th, 2022. Here's the integral of the day. We've got definite integral from -1 to 1, e raised to the arctan of y over 1 plus y squared dy. Is this one just screaming at you to do a u sub? I certainly hope so. So we're going to let u equal arctan of y, and then du will be 1 over 1 plus y squared dy. And then let's make sure we switch our limits of integration to be in terms of u as well. How to do that? You substitute them in for y right here. So u of the upper limit 1 is equal to arctan of 1. So same thing as tan inverse of 1. When is tangent equal to 1? Y at pi over 4. And then the lower limit, u of -1, is equal to arctan of -1, and that's equal to negative pi over 4. All right, now we're ready to roll. So our new integral in terms of u is going to go from negative pi over 4 to positive pi over 4. E to the arctan of y is e to the u, and then dy over 1 plus y squared, that's just du. Wow, this cleaned up so beautifully. Antiderivative of e to the u, oh, it's my favorite. It's just e to the u. And then now, bracket on the right, I'm going to evaluate from negative pi over 4 to positive pi over 4. Upper limit minus lower limit. So I have e to the pi over 4 minus e to the negative pi over 4. And frankly, I would just stop there and box this bad boy. How lovely. And we are done. If only the box would just straighten up. Yes. So I hope you enjoyed the integral of the day. Give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what was your favorite part. And I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have lots of full-length lecture videos, and you can also see what I'm up to. Instagram, TikTok, at Math TV with Professor V. Take care, guys.